Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 Collins English Grammar and Composition, chapter number 9, expressing the future. Okay, so here let's get started. Complete this passage on what you will be doing in the future. Okay, so you have to fill this on your own. So here the answer. Okay, so you can also change or modify the answer here. Okay, so here the answer. Just you have to use future tense. Okay, so here the answer. Then next, so here underline the correct options to complete the sentences. So are you going to or will you answer the phone? Okay, so here the will you, it will be correct. Will you answer the phone for me, please? I am working. So here here the second option will be correct. Then next, I hope Sachin will or is going to. So here the second option is going to. Okay, Sachin is going to visit us soon. Then next, I shall or I am going to help you. Okay, I shall help you within that in 10 minutes. The first option will be correct. Then next, we will or we are going to watch. Okay, we are going to watch. Then next, watch out. I hurt vase is going to fall. Okay, is going to fall will be the right answer. Please take an umbrella. It looks like it is going to rain. Okay, it is going to rain will be the correct. Then next, if you want, I will. Okay, I will bring. Okay, not going to. Then next, Sam and Ritesh are going to collect all the newspapers and recycle them. So here the second option will be correct. Then next, read the sentences and write if they refer to present or future action. Okay, so here the film starts at 8 p.m. tonight. So here the adverb of time is used tonight and the verb is simple present. So here the action is future action. Then next, Tara is having lunch with me in the afternoon. Okay, in the afternoon adverb of time. Okay, and here the present continuous is used. So here future action, this is also future action. Our school reopens. Reopens here simple present tense is used, but here the action will take place in future, next week. So here this is also future action. We are visiting our cousins next week. Here present continuous is also used, but the action will happen in future, next week. So this is also future action. The mall closes at 6 p.m. today. So here simple present is used, but here future, today. Okay, future action. We are having dinner. That means here the action is happening at the time of speaking. So here present continuous tense is used and it is present action. I begin my music lessons soon. That will here simple future is used, but the action will start in the future. That's why it will be future action. I visit my friends on weekends. So this is visit. This is habitual. Okay, habitual presents. Then next, fill in the blanks with the future continuous. The structure of future continuous is subject plus shall or will be. Shall or will be plus V1 ing. Okay, so you have to follow this structure. Okay, so here I have severe toothache. So I will be visiting. Okay, I will be visiting. Dinna will be coming for the birthday party. Will be coming. Then next, we will be spending. Then next, we dash lots of mangoes. We will be getting. Okay, by this time next week. Okay, I will be working in Singapore. Then next, will you be attending? Here this is this is the structure of yes no. Okay, will you be attending? This is yes no. Then next, the Ghosh family will be flying. Okay, will be flying. This is also yes no question. Will Tandra be staying with you in April? Okay. Then next, if you have not watched all the structure of the tenses, then you can go to the playlist sections. Okay, and you can also watch it. Then next, complete the sentence using future perfect. The structure of future perfect is will have V3. Okay, will have V3, or you can also add shall or will plus have plus V3. So here Tarun and Aditi will have worked. Okay, will have worked. Here the answer is mentioned. I will have completed. Okay, here I will have completed. Then Daniel will have lost. Okay, will have. So just you have to follow the structure. Sunita's mother will have packed. Okay, will have packed. Then next, the old man will have fed. Okay, will have fed. The parrot will have learnt. Okay, the parrot will have learnt a new song by this time next week. Then next, future perfect continuous. Do you know the structure of future continuous is? Okay, will have been plus v1 ing. So you have to just write the answer here, just following the structure. By next June, we will have been. Okay, we will have been working. So just you have to follow the structure here. Then next, I will have been cleaning. Okay, I will have been cleaning. Then next, the class will have been continuing. Clear? Come August, we will have been living in Mumbai. Then next, when I meet my nursery class teacher next week, then okay, it will have been. Okay, it appears since I left the school. Be here is mentioned, so you have to write. Okay, it will. Yes, it will have been. Will have been. Okay, it will have been. Clear? When I meet my nursery class teacher next week, it will have been nearly 5 years since I left. Then next, by 2017, Sarojini will have been performing. Okay, will have been, just add ing here, performing. They will have been staying. Okay, by today it will have been raining for 3 days continuously. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.